Let's break down a huge Supreme Court ruling on presidential power and the National Guard.
The final vote was 6-3, with the court siding with Illinois against the president.
So this decision stops the deployment of federalized troops in Chicago, upholding the lower court.
Here's what we're covering: the dispute, the legal trap, the dissents, and why this all matters.
The big question was, can a president just send the Guard into a state that says no?
And wow, this moved fast, from a presidential order to the Supreme Court in just months.
The whole thing, and I mean the whole thing, came down to just one federal law.
And it's this phrase right here, unable with the regular forces. That's the whole ballgame.
Right, so what in the world are regular forces anyway? Everything depended on that answer. You had two totally different arguments. The government said cops, but Illinois said the actual military.
And the court's majority? They went with Illinois. Regular forces means the U.S. military.
Now this is where it gets really interesting, because that definition runs into another major law. This creates a legal trap. He can't use the Guard unless the military fails, but he can't use the military.
But, not everyone on the court was on board with how they reached that answer.
Justice Kavanaugh, for instance, agreed with the result but wanted to keep the ruling super narrow.
Justice Alito, in dissent, basically said the court went rogue, ruling on something nobody even argued.
Gorsuch also dissented. He said, hey, let's be cautious and stick to what was actually argued. So why does this matter? Well, it draws a huge line between military and police power. So the case is over, but it leaves this massive question hanging about power in a crisis.